Konnichiwa mga kamachi, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is adjustment day. So also today is my mama's birthday. So happy birthday mom, I love you. So ayan na nga at nakababa na tayo ng bus at dyan sa station na Ryusukecho North, yung station na binababaan ko para makapunta doon sa aking clinic. So siguro mga 5 minutes walk from there. Ito na, walking na tayo. And today is cloudy. Medyo mainit but tolerable pa naman. And outfit check. Hindi mo wala. So guys, every time na nagpa-pass by ako dito sa Machi na to, hindi pwedeng hindi ako titingin dito sa Jinja na to or the Shinto Shrine. Kasi ang ganda niya, so peaceful, and alam mo yung ma-feel mo na may serenity. Yes! And guys, the facade, it's giving, you know, a Meiji period or Edo period. Look at that. So, 11:30 na. At 11:30 yung appointment ko. Nakalimutan kong mag-withdraw. So, mag-withdraw muna tayo. Dito sa aking right side, yung aking bank. Yan yung bank ko. Pero nandito yung bank. Diyan lang yung parking. Tada! So, ayun. Dahil na tayo adjust. So, sa baba lang in-adjust. So, hinihintay pa ni Sensei na mag-move yung sa taas. Ayan. Wala na papasikip. So, yun. Bye! It's raining. So, yun na nga guys. Naulan. Nako, bakit naulan? Nag-white shoes pa naman ako. So, naulan guys. Naulan. Tapos naka-white shoes tayo. So, diba? So, it's raining in Nihon. Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Hindi malamig. Kasi, mainit. Napaka-perfect talaga ng ulan. Naka-white shoes pa tayo. Very nice. Diba? Ito na lang, malinis dito. Ito na lang talaga, malinis. So, ayun. Dahil naulan, and I have to buy something. So I decided to go to GU. And ayun, napabili nga po tayo ng maraming damit. And ayun. So, ang cute lang ng GU. It's like the Uniqlo. Though they are sister companies, you know. So, kaya, ayun. Rampa muna ang ate girl nyo. Picture dito. Yes. Tignan ng outfit. Check. So, if you are planning to go to Japan and gusto mo mag-haul, bumili na maraming damit, go to GU. I swear, madami kang mabibili dito and mag-e-enjoy ka kasi mas mura siya sa Uniqlo. Pareho lang din naman ng quality. So, yeah. Hi guys! So, I'm going home now and it's already 5:41 and my work is 6 o'clock and I have to be in a hurry because my dogs are so hungry. And yeah, look, madilim na. Mabilis na magdumilim dito kasi mag-autumn na. Yan. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you like this one. Alright, so matane!